Regardless of how or where you acquire cryptocurrencies, you risk losing money due to the speculative and unpredictable nature of cryptocurrency investments. When it comes to selecting a cryptocurrency exchange, ensuring the security of your money should be your first concern. In general, we believe that cryptocurrency exchanges that have been operational for the longest period are often a safer choice than those that have only just emerged. If you live in the United States and are interested in trading cryptocurrencies, you will need to open an account with a reputable cryptocurrency exchange to get started. There are hundreds of cryptocurrency exchanges available, and the vast majority of them do not have a government license to operate. Because of this, you need to make an informed decision before putting any of your money in danger. This video will analyze the top cryptocurrency exchanges in the United States right now based on various basic parameters such as security, reliability, fees, and regulation. When browsing online for the best platform to trade cryptocurrencies on, you need to be very explicit about what best means to you. As a result, it is essential to dissect the characteristics of the finest cryptocurrency exchange platform that is now available to the general public. To assist you in making a more informed decision, here's a list of characteristics that should be considered while searching for the most suitable cryptocurrency trading platform. 1. Trust. Whether you go online for the finest cryptocurrency exchange platform, it is critical to deal with reputable crypto exchanges constantly. A trustworthy cryptocurrency exchange is one where you can secretly conduct deals without fear of your trade's value being reduced abruptly. Yes, the exchange will deduct costs, but you should still be able to earn handsomely from the exchange. 2. Security. Trading in a safe environment should be possible on the cryptocurrency exchange platform you choose. It ensures that none of the digital assets will be lost unexpectedly, compromised by hackers, or shared with outside parties. 3. Popularity. If many people can conduct legal trades on your selected platform, it may be an excellent place to start crypto trading. You will most likely hear a lot about online crypto trading sites that engage in unlawful operations. Some even cooperate with dishonest dealers to steal your earnings and property. Or they have a slew of criticism coming out of nowhere. Whether you hear many good things about a particular cryptocurrency exchange platform, you should at least look into it to see if it is right for you. Now, let's go through the top 5 best crypto exchanges in the United States in no particular order. At the number 5 spot, we have Coinbase. Coinbase is well known as a secure and reliable cryptocurrency exchange, with thousands of satisfied clients worldwide. Coinbase is also the world's second largest cryptocurrency exchange in terms of reported traffic, trading volume, and liquidity. Coinbase has transformed the digital currency landscape by delivering a simple, dependable, user-friendly platform. Individuals and institutions in the United States can purchase, trade, store, and sell digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash. Coinbase's entry-level platform, with its straightforward user experience and app, is a big selling point. The whole experience of monitoring a crypto portfolio or tracking current pricing is quick and simple. The onboarding procedure is straightforward, and it is undoubtedly one of the most acceptable methods to purchase Bitcoin and 176 other cryptocurrencies. Coinbase Pro, the platform's sophisticated and professional trading exchange, is suited for individual investors and experienced crypto traders. Above 170 cryptocurrencies may be exchanged for various fiat currencies. Some of its pros include beginner-friendly, providing opportunities for crypto earning, lower pricing, advanced trading platform, it's a top-rated mobile app, and educational tools. And its cons. Users don't have access to trade that many altcoins. There are issues of customer service, high transaction fees compared to other exchanges, complex fee structures. When users store coins on their account, they then have no control over their private keys. Overall, Coinbase is one of the best and most reliable crypto exchanges out there. Feel free to sign up by using Coinbase links in the description below to get $10 in free Bitcoin when you buy or sell your first $100 of any crypto. At the number 4 spot, we have eToro. eToro is a worldwide financial brokerage founded in 2007 to provide a platform for financial trading and investment. It serves a variety of markets, including cryptocurrency, ETFs, stocks, indices, commodities, and forex. The platform is now available in over 100 countries and has established itself as a trustworthy and dependable financial service supplier. There are over 40 marketplaces coupled with US dollars to select from. The eToro is ideal for newcomers looking to trade in various cryptocurrencies using a robust and user-friendly trading interface. It is aimed toward crypto enthusiasts, amateurs, and serious investors alike. There's even an accessible demo mode for trading cryptocurrency, perfect for newbie traders to familiarize themselves with the platform and markets. The social community on eToro is the most popular feature. The eToro is the greatest social trading platform, allowing traders to join and interact with other traders to share ideas and techniques. Aside from buying and selling crypto, eToro offers a crypto staking service to help consumers make the most of their crypto investments. Staking is available for some of the most popular staking currencies, including Cardano, ADA, Tron TRX, and Ethereum 2.0, ETH 2.0. Depending on your current account level, you may earn up to 90% of staking profits instantly and be one of the top crypto staking platforms to pick from. Some of its pros include: it is an established platform, choice of cryptocurrencies or crypto CFDs, regulated in numerous jurisdictions, commissions from 0.05% per transaction, with the cons being that it's not beginner friendly, the complex fee structure, high minimum trading requirements, margin trading is not available, and technical assistance only works 24/5. Overall, a great cryptocurrency exchange. At the number 3 spot, we have Kraken. Kraken is a cryptocurrency exchange based in the United States, created in 2011. The exchange has approximately 9 million clients and is available in 190 countries. Kraken is permitted to operate as a cryptocurrency exchange in several countries, including the United States, Canada, Australia, the United Kingdom, and Japan. Kraken is a professional trading platform where knowledgeable investors may purchase Cardano, Bitcoin, and other digital currencies. With its secure mobile app, Kraken, hailed as one of the most trustworthy exchanges, makes investing simple. Kraken provides strong liquidity across its marketplaces for professional crypto traders. On the exchange, you may buy, trade, and sell over 160 crypto assets with new currencies added regularly. The exchange has advanced tools and automatic portfolio monitoring for advanced traders. While simple in appearance, Kraken's exchange is dependable and steady, with a wide range of conditional orders available, including market, limit, stop loss, take profit, stop loss limit, and take profit limit. Overall, the cheap trading fees on Kraken's spot exchange are ideal for residents of the United States. Although the asset selection is acceptable and the prices are affordable, Kraken is not suitable for newcomers searching for a quick and straightforward exchange. Some of its pros include: it offers low trading fees to advanced traders, the large selection of digital assets, advanced trading features, reasonable fees, and high liquidity exchange. And its cons: the limited option for funding accounts, not for beginners, limited starter accounts, slow account funding, questionable customer service, and no tax support. At the number 2 spot is Crypto.com. Crypto.com is a premium cryptocurrency exchange and trading software with over 10 million clients worldwide and is available in 49 states in the United States. The crypto exchange offers a solid alternative to traditional financial services, making it easy for everyone to begin investing in cryptocurrency. Crypto.com is well known for its mobile app, allowing users to purchase, sell, trade, store, earn, and loan funds, as well as spend cryptocurrency using a debit card. The Crypto.com app is one of the most popular cryptocurrency apps for buying and selling over 250 cryptocurrencies at genuine market value. That is, acquire cryptocurrency with no costs. Furthermore, the software may be utilized in over 100 countries worldwide with 20 plus fiat currencies. Crypto.com is widely considered one of the most significant places to earn interest on cryptocurrency purchases to build a portfolio with little effort. The software provides up to 6% PA on Bitcoin and Ethereum and 10% on stablecoins such as Tether and USD Coin. The program supports over 40 cryptocurrencies for earning crypto interest, with rewards sent weekly straight into the user's wallet. There's also a professional exchange where traders may exchange crypto coins or stakes for rewards. Crypto.com can provide deep liquidity and affordable trading costs to its customers on its dedicated exchange by using its own native digital token, CRO. In comparison to other platforms, the costs on Crypto.com exchange are relatively low. Individuals, for example, can purchase Shiba Inu with transaction costs starting at 0.4% for market and limit orders. The fees can be decreased by taking between 5% and 60% of the exchange's native CRO tokens. While the Crypto.com exchange is advanced with the greatest charting and software capabilities, the costs are slightly higher than industry rates. As a result, it is better to stick to the Crypto.com app to acquire crypto directly with cash or utilize a lower fee trading platform like Binance or FTX. Some of its pros include extensive lists of supported cryptocurrencies, transparent competitive fees with discounts available, support for an ecosystem of cryptocurrency products, Visa cards with cashback rewards, and you can earn interest on crypto. And its cons: it's difficult to navigate, poor customer service, higher fees unless you hold and use CRO, and no crypto-to-crypto trading. Finally, at the number 1 spot, we have Gemini. Remember, none of these are ranked in order. All these crypto exchanges are good in their own way. Gemini was introduced to the market in 2015, and it is suitable for both novice investors and experienced traders. Gemini provides access to over 40 different cryptocurrencies and a range of goods that might benefit more experienced investors. Gemini is transparent about the safety precautions it takes, and the majority of your money is held in a cold storage facility that is not connected to the internet. Gemini provides more sophisticated traders with tools and upgrading options that might be beneficial, but it also has a more accessible interface that can assist newbies in gaining their footing in the trading world. In addition, those who have a deeper understanding of cryptocurrencies may find value in Gemini's suite of supplementary products, which includes Active Trader, Gemini Pay, Gemini Custody, and Gemini Wallet, as well as Cryptopedia, a learning site. Gemini Earn is also available. When you purchase or sell cryptocurrencies on Gemini, you will be subject to a convenience fee and the standard transaction cost. A limited percentage of your cryptocurrency is maintained online in a hot wallet that is insured against loss due to theft due to a security breach, hack, fraudulent transfer, or staff theft. The rest of your Bitcoin is stored in an offline cold storage system by Gemini. Some of its pros include hot wallet insurance, strong security, wide cryptocurrency selection, low minimum purchases, a highly rated mobile app, advanced trading platforms, and you can earn interest on cryptocurrency balances. And its cons: some popular cryptocurrencies aren't actually on the platform, there are no linked debit cards available, and fee structure is expensive for small trades. The evolving regulatory ecosystem for cryptocurrencies in the United States has created a market in which US traders are provided with benefits and security not available in other countries, such as FDIC insurance for USD deposits, even though additional identity verification requirements have been imposed. It is essential to conduct business with a cryptocurrency exchange that fully complies with the legislation governing cryptocurrencies in the state in which you reside while searching for the best cryptocurrency exchange for consumers in the United States.